Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students of grade 2. This is your new Oxford Modern English Book 2. Today we are going to read Unit 3, The Mice and the Elephants. First, we try to understand the meaning of these words, and you also write first these words as a dictation words. On the next page you write as a words meaning, and on the third page you use these words in your own sentences. I hope you understand. Yes, first you write these words as a dictation word on your notebook, and then write the meanings of these words, and after that use these words in your own sentences. I hope you can do and you can understand. The first word is agree. Agree means to say yes. Right? The small meaning to say yes. Comfortable, at ease, free from worry or troubles. You can write the meaning at ease or free from worry or troubles. Which you want, you can write. Feast, a large meal for many people. Festival, a time of celebration. Herd, a number of wild animals that stay together as one group. Weak, not strong, without energy. You can write one meaning from these two. Whole, complete. Whole, complete. Okay, students. Now we start the reading of this chapter. Once upon a time, a king lived in a fine stone palace. After many years, the king grew old and died. Everyone left the palace. Slowly, the wall fell down, and soon only the floors were left. Now in the cracks of the floors lived hundreds of mice. They lived with their sons and grandsons, their grandfathers and their grandmothers, and they were all very comfortable. They played games, had festivals and marriages, dramas and feasts. They were all very happy. Near the palace was a large lake. One day in the hot weather, the Elephant King came there with his herd to drink water. The whole herd walked all over the floors of the palace. They killed many of the mice. The mice were very sad. They held a meeting. These elephants will kill us all, they cried. What shall we do? Some of the mice went to the elephants. They said, "Oh friends, we live under the palace floors. If you walk over the floors on the way to the lake, you will kill us all. Please go along another path. One day we may help you." The Elephant King and his herd listened to the mice and agreed to use another path. One day the Elephant King and his herd were trapped in the forest by some hunters. They were tied up with ropes. Luckily, one of the elephants escaped the trap. He ran through the forest and called the mice. Hundreds of them came to help the elephants. They bit through the ropes and set the elephant free. The elephant thanked the mice, and they remembered the old saying, "Make friends, always make friends, however strong or weak." So students, understand this story? The moral of the story is make friends, always make friends, however strong or big. It's mean we don't underestimate any others due to its bigness, because everything which is made by Allah have a value. So student, read these pages again and again and try to learn the meanings of these words and write as a dictation words and learn the spelling also. Take care. Allah Hafiz.